chicken garlic parmesan. Sa Petron ako tapos hindi gumana yung BDO ko at saka yung Gcash ko. Diyos ko, may problema. May non-issue ba today? Buti na lang dala ko yung isa kong bangko. Basti, ginagawa na.
Nag-work ako.
Not how I envisioned it to be. It's 1:34 a.m. I'm starving. I guess it's a success after all. It's a success. I did not made it to the 4 p.m. schedule. It's 4:29. So, feeling ko mag-grocery muna ako. Dapat kasi church then grocery. But I did not made it in time. Make it in time. Nagpark ako sa SM Manila just to find out wala pala doon yung church. So ngayon papunta akong BGC at sana umabot ako.
But for those who are not part of the Book of Life, as we talked about last week,
so kadadating ko lang sa Aura. Mag-grocery lang akong bilis and then I will go home and cook. Yung hinahanap ko nakita ko siya. Small grocery lang actually. Dalawang beses ko na nagtanong, hindi nila alam kung nasaan yung mga bagay-bagay dito. SM Aura. Salamat sir, thank you so much. I just saw this here. Binili ko. Sana masarap. Kaso wala akong tubig. Hindi ko alam kung ano to.
I love Spanish wine. Why not? Why not?
Chateau, yung champagne.
Nilagyan ko siya ng itlog. Tinimplahan ko rin siya ng garlic powder, pati onion powder. Lalagyan ko rin siya ng water. Ito yung magiging batter niya. Fry time! My own version of buffalo. Kung ano man to. Let's see if it's yummers. Garlic parmesan, buffalo. Ito yung hindi ko na siya nilubog. Ayan, there you go.